RocksLessonsForKids.com. Welcome to your first guitar lesson. This is your introductory lesson to get things off the ground and running so you can have a good time playing guitar. And I'm going to show you step by step everything that I know so you can get yourself started on this beautiful instrument. All right, your first lesson is going to be how to tune the guitar. We got to make sure your guitar is in tune so every song that you play is the most accurate it can sound and the best sounding it can be. So the guitar right now is definitely not tuned, and I'm going to give you an idea of what that sounds like. Are you ready to hear it? Oh, that does not sound good at all. We got to get this guitar in tune. So the most important thing is to turn your attention to the tuning pegs where the tuners are on the head of the guitar. So what you do is you pluck your string with your guitar pick, and the first string, like we talked about before, is every or the E string. When you pluck the E string, you turn the tuning peg to go away from you to make the string tighter, and then towards you to turn it looser. Higher, looser. So there are a lot of apps out there to use to assist you in getting your guitar in tune, and a lot of them are free. So this particular app is called Guitar Tuna. Get it? Guitar Tuner, Guitar Tuna. All right? So we're going to use this app to make sure that your guitar is in tune. Just so you know, an app on your phone or iPad is one option, but there are many tuners out there to choose from. But I'm going to give you the easiest one possible, and anyone can download it if you have a smartphone or if your parents have a smartphone. And it's really easy to use, and we're going to use this one as our main app. Let me show you how it works. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to tune the guitar up with the Guitar Tuna app. So a couple things to point out. Up on the top right corner is the button Auto. Let's keep that turned on for now. And on the left corner, Standard. So we're doing standard tuning. More of that in an in-depth lesson. Now, the string names are going to be on the left and right side. E, A, D, G, B, E. The ones on the left side are the 6, 5, and 4. And on the right side is 3, 2, and 1. So our guitar does not sound good right now. If you listen to the volume up, does not sound good. So what we're going to do is we're going to tune every string, starting with the E string, all right? So here is the E string. So it's going to show you too low or too high by going to the left or right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the E string and we're going to pluck it and see if we can get it to the green. And then when it hits the green, you'll hear a sound that says it's in tune, all right? So here we go. Here is E. And I'm going to turn the tuning peg away from me to get it going. A little bit more. A little more. A little more. A little more. And there you have it. Here is the A string. Let's get this in tune. Same process. Turning it away from me. A little higher. Bingo! Now let's go to the D string, Drinks. The one was before was Alien. Here's Drinks, D. Going up a little more. A little more. A little more. Bam! We got it. Then Gatorade, G string. Let's do the G string. A little more. All right. Then before the B string. Let's do that string now. A little more. A little more. A little more. A little more. Oh, there we go. All right. Eat. Eat. E. Here we go. A little low. Getting higher. Bingo! Now your guitar is in tune. All right, there you have it. That's your free lesson. Be sure to sign up today. Let's make this happen every week, and then we're going to see some major progress. Let's do it.